Yes.
I'll take one more example and I'll try to complete the part. And just write down x cube by triple dash plus 3x square by double dash plus xy dash plus 8y is equal to 65 cos of log x. With some participant, there is little disturbance.
Ma'am,
So just
it's
if
not
you
visible.
mute, if screen is not visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, wait a minute. I'll share it once again. I think now you can see. Say yes so that I can go ahead.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. So here what we are going to do is just first thing we'll confirm whether it is Cauchy's yes or no. Is it Cauchy's differential equation?
Yes, ma'am.
Because it is triple order, third order, x cube is there, second order, x square. Okay, this is y. Sorry, this is x. This is xy dash, xy dash. Okay, now this is Cauchy. Okay, write down. Given equation is Cauchy's linear equation. Let us call it as equation 1. Now, when it is Cauchy's, what we have to write the next step? We have to go for a substitution, right? What we have to take? Put x equal to
E power z.
e raised to z. Therefore, z is log x. Okay. Z is log x. So that if you take xy dash will be xy dash means x into dy by dx will be d by. If you take x square y double dash, what is the value of this?
D into D minus 1.
D minus 1 into y, yes. Then x cube by triple dash. Triple dash, three values. D minus 1 and D minus 2y. What is D? What is D? D by dz. Hope you remember the method. Huh? Okay, let us substitute. You can take your RHS part. RHS is 65 cos of log x, which can be written in, which has to be written in terms of function of what? Function of what? Isn't it z? So log x is z. Done. Now let us substitute all these in equation 1. So x cube by triple dash is how much? Isn't it this value? Substitute. D into D minus 1 into D minus 2 into y plus. Second term is 3x square y double dash. So what I have to write as it is? Obviously 3 as it is. What is x square y double dash? D into D minus 1 into y plus xy dash is how much? Dy plus 8y is equal to 65 cos of what we have? Log x, and log x is z. Simplify this. Yeah, this is to be taken as d into d is d square. D square, if you take it along with the d, multiplication will give me d cube. D square into minus 2. Minus 2d square. Again, d into minus 1 is minus d with product of with these two terms. Minus d into d is minus d square. Minus d into minus 2. How much? Plus 2d. Right? Next, take this 3 inside. This is 3d into d is how much? 3d square. Okay, minus 3D. Am I right with this? Plus D plus 8. Little bigger equation you have, but simple. Tell me what remains. Can we cancel anything? Can we cancel anything? Just check. So big, but one advantage is there here. What can we cancel?
3D square.
3D square can be cancelled with minus 2 square and minus D square, isn't it? Anything else?
3D.
Yeah, 3D along with the other terms can be cancelled. Is the screen getting disturbed? Hopefully no. Huh? Okay. So this is minus 3D. We can cancel it with 2D plus D, which is 3D. What is remaining? See, so many terms got cancelled. What is remaining? Isn't it d cube plus 8 into y equal to 65 cos z? Yeah, what is this? This is the linear differential equation with constant or variable coefficients. Constant coefficients. So let us find CF and PI. What is the auxiliary equation? Tell me at least the roots. What are the roots for m cube plus 8 equal to 0?
-2.
-2 and I think you will get complex.
1 plus or minus √3i.
Very good. Okay, so these are the roots. Tell me the CF part. C1 e raised to -2. What have to write?
Z.
Z, yes, but it has to be written in terms of Z. Now, how to write for 1 plus or minus √3i? E raised to 1z C2 cos of √3z plus C3 sine of √3z. Yeah, this is the PI. Sorry, this is the CF. Let us convert in terms of x. Now, e raised to z is x, correct? This is e raised to minus 2z means you are raising the power by what? What is the power here?
-2.
-2. So if you raise the power both the sides by -2, what will you get? Isn't it x raised to -2? Or you can write it as 1 by x square. Both means one and the same. Then e raised to z is x, no problem. C2 cos of √3 into z. What is z? In terms of x, log x. Similarly here. Okay, done. Now pi. Pi is 1 upon d cube plus 8 operating on. What is the RHS function? 65 cos z. Tell me this belongs to which case?
Second case.
Second case. What we do there?
D square is replaced by -1, ma'am.
Yes. So d square, let us replace it. As it is d cube, it will not become 0. Not to worry. This is 65, 1 upon minus d cube is written as d square into d. D square is -1 into d plus 8. Shall I adjust the 8 here? Isn't it 8 minus d?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, what we apply if it belongs to second case?
Conjugate.
Yeah. So multiply and divide by 8 plus d. Okay. Cos z. See, again, nothing happens if you write minus 8 plus minus d plus 8. No, you multiply and divide by minus d minus 8. That is also okay. Huh? I wanted to avoid many minus sign. That's why I have written it. Okay. So let us proceed. This is 65. Again, denominator is a square minus b square, and b square is replaced by what? Minus 1, no? Yeah. Again, 8 plus d is there. Take this cos inside. What will you get? 8 into cos z plus d operating on cos z is what?
minus sin z.
Minus sin z. Okay. Yeah. How much is 8 square? 64 minus
65.
minus plus 65 can be cancelled with it. So remaining is 8 into cos of, what is z in terms of x?
Log x.
Log x minus sin of log x. Correct? This is the PI. Last step you write down. GS is equal to CF plus PI. Done. Is the concept of Cauchy's is clear or no? Because I can take many problems. The thing is, the concept should be clear. That's all. So I'll better give you some homework sums. Write down x square y double dash minus 3x y dash plus 4y is equal to. I think this is the last example given. Just check. Is it given?
Yes, ma'am.
If it is given, then take the second one you take. How many of you have solved it? It was given, right? This is 3x square plus sine of 3 log x. This part, when you simplify, no, it purely belongs to case 1. Hopefully you have solved it. Okay, write one more. X raised to 4y triple dash plus 2x cube y double dash minus x square y dash plus xy is equal to x sine of log x. Tell me what has to be done for this. Is it Cauchy's?
No, ma'am. Multiply by x on both sides. Ma'am, third one, ma'am.
Third one only.
Divide
Is it
by
multiply by? Yeah, no, divide by x.
Divide.
Yeah, you should divide by x so that it will be converted to a Cauchy's format. Okay, and hence you can solve it. Hope you can solve these examples. They are not at all difficult. If you are perfect with the first concept, this is a additional thing. Easily you can solve it, but remember the substitution. Okay. I will start with the next format. Next linear equation. Okay. Anybody has any doubts regarding Cauchy's can just ask me now. I'm ready to explain. Anything? We have considered all different type everything. Remember the substitution and what is the conversion. Okay. Yeah. Let me take the second one. This is called as Legendre's linear equation. Now, this is also the case where it is we have the linear differential equation with variable coefficients. Means along with derivatives, you will be having some variables attached. Are you getting it? Now, what was the thing in Cauchy's? It was attached to which format? Like dy by dx was attached to which term? Then it was called as Cauchy's.
X to the power n.
X, right? Dy by dx was attached to x. If it is y double dash attached to x square, like that. So in Legendre, instead of x, you will be having ax plus b. Means this is only x. Here you will be having in the form ax plus b. Means it may be 2x plus 3, it may be 2x minus 1, it may be 3x plus 2, like that. Are you getting it? So on the basis of that, can you tell me the general form? The differential equation of the form. See what I have written for Cauchy is exactly same. Instead of all the x, write it as ax plus b. So along with nth order derivative, in Cauchy's we have x raised to n. What you will be having here?
Ax
Ax
plus b.
plus b raised to n. Okay, plus p1 Along with n minus 1th derivative, what you are expecting?
n minus 1 ax plus
Ax plus b raised to n minus 1 plus and so on. Suppose if you have dy by dx, what will be attached with that?
ax plus b.
Ax plus b. Then there is a term, you can say this is Pn minus 1 and this is Pny is equal to some phi of x. Okay, so again same thing. What are P1, P2 and Pn are? They are all constants. Okay, and phi of x is obviously a function of x only. Okay, then let me call it as equation 1. Equation 1 is called, what this is called as? Legendre's linear equation. Okay, now can you guess what should be the part? To solve it, what can we do? If you remember what I explained just now, you can tell me very easily. Yeah. What is the change between this and Cauchy's? Instead of ax plus, if I put ax plus b raised as x, ax plus b as x, isn't it? It is Cauchy's.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Yeah. So what we did when it was x? When it was x, what we substituted for Cauchy's?
E to the power z, ma'am.
E raised to z. So what do you expect here? Instead of x, you have ax plus b. So what do you expect?
Ax plus b is equal to e per z.
Very good. So just to solve it, put this linear factor ax plus b is equal to e raised to z. Did you get the comparison? It is very easy part. Only you will not get only x plus something or minus something will be there. That means that it is Legendre's. Okay. Now what is z from this?
Log of ax plus b.
Very good. Log of ax plus b. Now again the same thing. I have to start with the first order. First order you have ax plus b into dy by dx. I can call it as y dash. No problem. Now what do you expect the value of this? Recall x into dy by dx. So what we have written in Cauchy's?
dy, ma'am.
Dy we have written. Only one change. If you have, what is the coefficient of x here?
X plus
A.
ma'am.
Coefficient of x is a. So you'll get extra thing as a raised to 1.
A.
If it is first order, it is a raised to 1. Getting it? The change. Similarly, if I take ax plus b square into y double dash, tell me what are you expecting? If it is double dash, you are
A
aware
square.
it changes to d into d
D
minus 1 into y, usual. But what is extra?
A square.
A square is extra. See, on comparison basis, you can remember so many things. But for everything, if I go on telling different way, no, it becomes very large. The data becomes very large, very difficult to store in your memory, brain, right? So just comparison basis. Okay, this is A is extra. One more thing you tell. What is ax plus b raised to 3 y triple dash?
A cube, ma'am.
A cube into?
D into d minus 1, d minus 2.
Yes, very good. Okay. Remember the procedure, that's all. Not to worry, no need to bahart anything and all that. So suppose if you just substitute as ax plus b equal to e raised to z, these all are the changes, so that if you substitute in equation 1, your equation will be converted as function of d into y is equal to what? Phi of x, but this x also should be changed as z, no? I'll call it as g of z. Now just check, these coefficients are constants or variables on RHS? Constant, right? A is a constant. So obviously these coefficients are constant. This side it is variable. So we converted variable coefficient into constant, and we know how to solve this type of example. Agree with that? Therefore, can be solved by using earlier methods. Hope the part clear? Let me start with examples. See, examples are very simple, and you can expect one question from Kochis, one question from Legendaries. Okay, right. Solve the following equations. Solve the following equations. In that, the first one, 1 plus x the whole square d square y by dx square plus 1 plus x into y by dx plus y is equal to 2 sine of log of x plus 1. Yeah, all of you write this question. We'll solve it. Tell me. Is it Cauchy's, is it Legendaries, or is it the first part with constant coefficients? See the thing? Is it
Legendary.
Cauchy? It is Legendary. If it was instead of 1 plus x, if it was x everywhere, we would have taken it as Cauchy, right? So given equation is Legendary. Don't start solving it. First you mention about it. Legendary linear differential equation or linear equation. Okay. Now, if it is Legendary, again the first step is fixed. What is that? Is a substitution, isn't it? Okay. Hope you can see the screen. Yeah. To solve it, what is the first step? Substitution. What is the substitution here? What is the substitution?
E power z.
E power
Plus x.
1 plus x is equal to e raised to z. See, what is the thing here? In Cauchy's, it is fixed as x. Only in Legendaries, ax plus b goes on changing because a and b I cannot keep fixed, right? A and b changes. That's why you have to take that particular and take it as e raised to z. Got it? So what is z from here?
Log of 1 plus x.
Log of 1 plus x. Very good. Now, therefore, if I take the first one, that is 1 plus x into dy by dx, if I take, what is the value of this? Okay, first you write dy. As usual, you write dy. Then you should see the coefficient of x in that linear factor. What is the coefficient of x here?
1.
1.
Oh, so this is 1 raised to 1. For understanding, I'm just writing. 1 raised to 1 is 1. No worry. Next, take the second term. 1 plus x the whole square d square y by dx square. We are aware if it is x square format, d into d minus 1 into y. What is the coefficient of x again? Is 1 only. It is actually 1 square into. Got it? One more thing. See, they may give one example like this where this power may be missing by mistake, printing mistake in the exam. So don't expect a grace question for this. You are aware, no? This belongs to what? It is 100% not Cauchy. Isn't it? It is Legendaries. What is the only change I have to take? Square. Don't expect grace questions for such things, huh? Please. Okay. Yeah. Now RHS part also we can take it easily. There is no problem. RHS is 2 sine of log of x plus 1, which is sine of, okay, what is log of x plus 1? Just check. Isn't it z? It was looking so complicated. It is converted to a simple one. Now let us substitute all these changes in equation 1. What is 1 plus x square y double dash? What is the value? Only d into d minus 1 into y plus 1 plus x into dy by dx is dy plus y as it is. RHS 2 sine of z. Correct? Just check here what remains here. This is d square. This is minus d plus d. Isn't it? It will cancel. What do you remain with?
+1.
Plus 1. Hope this direct step is clear. Okay, minus d plus d cancels. Again, it is usual form. We know how to solve it. Yeah, find CF and PI because this is converted to now with constant coefficients. Auxiliary equation is m square plus 1 equal to 0. What are the roots? Plus or minus I. What is the C here? Just check whether I've written a correct CFS or no. Okay. Now, e raised to 0 is 1, not to worry. C1, cos of, what is Z here? What is Z? Z is
Log of 1 plus x.
log of 1 plus x. Plus C2, sine of log of 1 plus x again. Done. Now Pi. Pi is 1 upon d square plus 1 operating on 2 sine z. 2 constant we can take out. This belongs to which case? Sine z.
Second.
Okay. What we do there? We replace d square by coefficient
-1.
of z is
Minus
1.
1.
If I replace it, what happens?
0,
Isn't
ma'am.
it denominator become 0? Yeah, don't replace. Don't write this step. What is to be done if it is becoming 0?
Multiply by x and differentiate the
Multiply by
denominator.
z and differentiate. What is the derivative?
2d, ma'am.
2d. Only thing, don't multiply by x. It is to be done with z. Okay, so z. Now this is like easy. One more thing. If you keep this z here, no, it is looking like you should integrate z and that both. That is wrong thing. Huh? Z you should multiply and then differentiate, isn't it? So 1 over d on sine z means what? It's a integration. What is the integration of sine z?
Minus
Minus
cos.
cos.
Minus cos z. So altogether this is minus. What is the value of z in terms of x? Z is
Log 1 plus x.
log of 1 plus x cos of log of 1 plus x. Only the answer in terms of x will be lengthy. Can't avoid. Can't do anything. We have to write it. Now what is the last step? GS is equal to CF plus PI. Substitute the value in terms of x. See, it is similar concept, no? So it is actually easier, need not to worry. I'll give one problem for homework. Write it. Y double dash plus 1 plus x into y dash plus y is equal to sine of log of 1 plus x the whole square. Check this with the previous one. Tell me the change. What is the change?
RHS, ma'am. Sine log.
Yeah, RHS. So tell me the simplification of this log of u raised to p. It is converted as what actually? it converts as sine 2z. Here we had 2 sine z, here it is sine 2z. So actually CF part, till CF it is 100% same. When you do it for PI, you should replace it. D square by what? Minus 4. So answer will be there only. No need to go for all these steps. Am I right? Are you getting the change? If this 2 is here, 2 is here, or 2 is on the power, lot of, okay, some changes will happen. Hope you can able to solve it by taking it as homework sum.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, yeah. After internals, you can do it. No worries. Right. 2x plus 3 the whole square, y double dash, minus 2x plus 3 into y dash, minus 12y is equal to 6x. First confirmation, is it Cauchy's, Legendre's, or first part? Confirm. Let's see, with y dash you have 2x plus 3 raised to 1. With y double dash you have same 2x plus 3 raised to 2. These should be same again, huh? That is also the condition. So isn't it Legendre's or Cauchy's? It is Legendre's linear equation. What is the step to solve? Step is fixed. You have to substitute. Substitution 1 plus x is equal to e raised to z. No?
2x plus 3 is equal to e power z.
Take 2x plus 3 equal to e raised to z. That is important. So this changes. Our linear factor here is 2x plus 3. So what is that? Log of 2x plus 3. Yeah, tell me now. What is the first part? That is 2x plus 3 means power is 1 into y dash is what? Usual way dy. What is extra?
4, ma'am.
Yeah, what is the coefficient of x? Is 2. So you'll get 2 raised to 1. Am I right? Is the part clear? Here the coefficient in the earlier example was 1, so it did not affect. But the coefficient of x is 2 here. Don't forget. Otherwise, if you miss this 2, your differential equation will be different than the scheme given. Okay. Similarly, 2x plus 3 the whole square, y double dash is what? Usual format d into d minus 1 into y. What is extra? 2. 2 raised to 2. Correct? If it is double dash square, you will get 2 square. Yeah, you have only 2 things, not to worry. Now RHS I'll take. RHS is 6x. See, very interesting thing here. It is not direct. So 6 into, just see, you are taking 2x plus 3 equal to e raised to z. I want x, only x. So what I have to do? Transfer the terms. First, what I have to transfer, 2 or 3?
3, ma'am.
3. If you transfer 3, where it will be?
Minus 3.
It is minus 3. And when I transfer 2?
Denominator.
By 2.
Denominator. Yes. All of you agree with this step? So if it is given direct, no problem. If not, also we can convert. RHS should be converted as function of z. So what do we get? E raised to z minus 3 divided by 2. Am I right? Else 2 1s are 2 3s are. What do we get? 3 e raised to z minus 3 3s are 9. Okay, is the part clear? RHS part. Therefore, let us substitute all these changes in equation 1. What is 2x plus 3 the whole square into y double dash? What is the value of this? 2 square. Shall I write it as 4? Shall I write 4? Two square, write it as 4. So this is 4d into bracket d minus 1 y Second term is negative, minus. So minus 2 dy minus 12y, correct, is equal to 6x is converted as 3 e raised to z minus 9. Simplify it. This is 4d square. I'll do one thing direct here. If you take 4d inside, it is minus 4d. Minus 2d is how much? Minus 4d minus 2d.
Minus 6.
Minus
Minus 60. And this minus 12 as it is. Hope the step is clear. Some students, no, they take common and they try to send it, but I suggest you don't do it because here 3 is common, here I guess 2 is common. Don't want, keep it as it is. How to write for the second term? You can adjust a e raised to 0z. Yeah, isn't it? It's converted to previous format. Now, where we have constant coefficients. Let us start solving. What is the auxiliary equation? 4m square minus 6m minus 12 is equal to 0. What are the roots?
Three
What
plus
are the 3?
3 plus root 57 by 4, ma'am.
Whole divided by 4. Huh? Plus or minus, is it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Are you getting it? Which type of root is this? Just anybody can tell.
This is real.
This is actually irrational, but irrational case is not there for you. You can regard it as a real and distinct. Am I right? Don't say plus or minus 1, plus or minus comes means it is not complex, huh? It is not complex. Okay. Yeah, how to write then CF? How we are taking it as real and distinct. Now you write for real and distinct. C1 e raised to this root by taking plus 3 plus root 57 divided by 4. Don't find its decimal value. Keep it as it is. Into z plus C2 e raised to 3 minus root 57 whole divided by 4 into z. One thing I'll tell you for this example, don't substitute the value of z in terms of x. Keep it as it is, no problem. Because if I substitute, no, it becomes very complicated. Keep it, I'll tell you what to do. Not always. If it is very complicated, we can keep it in terms of z. Now, what is the PI? Huh? 1 upon f of d operating on, how many terms are there on RHS? So there are 2 different terms, so it is converted to 2 terms, correct? How to write? Minus 9, 1 upon 4d square minus 6d minus 12 operating on e raised to 0z. Both belongs to which case? E raised to means case 1. So we replace d or d square there.
D, ma'am.
D by what? For the first term. Coefficient of
1.
z is 1. Second term, coefficient of z is here 0.
0.
Let us 3 upon 4 minus 6 minus 12 because d is 1. 9, 1 upon 0 minus 0 minus 12 into e raised to 0 z is 1. Tell me the answer. What do you get? Minus 3 by 14. Huh?
Minus 14. Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, minus 3 by 14 e raised to z by, okay, into e raised to z. What is the value of this? Minus into minus plus, I guess.
3
3 by
by 4.
3 by 4. Okay, done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Now again, no, keep pi also in terms of z only, because no CF is little complicated. So how we'll write GS is equal to CF plus pi. Substitute the same CF, what you have got, in terms of z only. But don't apply this for all examples. I have never done it, because this is complicated. Plus 3 by 4 minus 3 e raised to z upon 14. No problem. Here we can substitute, but don't substitute partly. Okay. This is the GS where, yeah, this step is important. What is Z? What is Z? Check here.
Log of x plus 3.
Log of 2x plus 3. That has to be written. Z is log of 2x plus 3. Are you getting it? Yes. Yes, I'll give one homework sum and done for today. Today's class. Minus 2 into 2x plus 1 y dash minus 12y is equal to 6x. Same problem they may give by taking this 2 inside. Huh? They may give it as 4x plus 2. They usually don't confuse, but then also you can take 2 common and make it as which equation is this? Which linear equation is this? Which linear equation? Isn't it Legendre? Am I right? Substitution is for 2x plus 1. Hope you can try solving it. Take it as a homework sum. So tomorrow I may take one more example or another 2, and that will be the end of this part. One more method is remaining. That I may start tomorrow.